My video is about getting rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Supreme Adblocker. This Supreme Adblocker actually is not a decent extension. It claims to be able to block ads, but in reality this extension operates as adware by displaying its own ads not associated with the sites that you actually visit. So if you see this unwanted extension Supreme Adblocker in your browser, in your Google Chrome browser, you should immediately undertake the measures to remove it from your Google Chrome. So what you need to do immediately is access the menu, More Tools, then Extensions, disable and remove this extension from Google Chrome. I also recommend that you research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then start researching the system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.